Maayong adlaw kanatong tanan. Karon ato ang pagahisgutan ang weighted mean. Mauni ang formula sa weighted mean. We have weighted mean equals the summation of x times w all over the summation of w. Your x here means this is the row score, the w is the weight. Okay, or we can have this formula. Weighted mean equals the summation of x times f all over the summation of f. So the x here is our row score or the score, our raw data, and then the f here is the frequency. Frequency meaning ikapila siya nagbalik-balik. For example, we have the number of laptop computer per household. This is an example of our raw data kani siya tanan. So atong nakit-an daghan siya, medyo samok siya tan-awon. So ato siyang himuan og frequency distribution table para ma-summarize ang data kay ato ang tan-awon na may mga numbers nagbalik-balik. So ato siyang i-summarize such that dili siya libog tan-awon. So this is now the frequency distribution table of ungroup data. So this is the number of laptop computers per household. So naay wala, naay 1, usa ka laptop or computer, naay 2, 3, 4, 5 ug 7 kada balay. Mao ko na ni ang number of laptops. And then ang frequency is kapila siya ni-repeat dito sa ato ang data previously. So ang may 5 walay laptop, naay 12 na ay usa ka laptop sa ilahang balay, na ay 14 duha ka laptop sa ilahang balay, and so on and so forth. So to solve the weighted mean for this is we have to multiply your frequency to your x, or your x to the frequency. So this is the frequency times your x. So this would be 0. 12 times 1, we have 12. Okay. 14 times 2, we have 28. 3 times 3, we have 9. 2 times 4 is 8. 3 times 5 is 15. And 7 times 1, or 1 times 7 is 7. Next is to add your fx. So this is now the summation of your fx equals, summation means you are going to add everything. So the answer is 79. So this is 79. The next step is to add the frequency kanitanan. So atong i-divide ani na data is ang frequency, ang total frequency. This will tell us kung pila ka po ang data na atong gigather or nagather. So this is equals to 40. So to solve this is the summation of your x. The summation of your f rather. So to solve for the weighted mean, we have weighted mean. We have now the summation of fx all over the summation of f. Okay, that is equals to, ato ra siyang pulihan class, kinasolve naman nato ang fx. So 79 divided by the summation of f, or the summation of frequency, that is 40. So that is equals to 1.98. So approximately class, na ay duha, that is approximation, na ay duha ka laptop computers per household. So mao ni gi-imply ani nga data. Another example is when you solve your grades. So when you solve your grades, dili na nato siya i-diretso og average, na i-add nato tanan yung grades, i-divide din og upat man ikabuk, so i-divide og upat, dili siya. So you should remember this kay i-require ni sa inyo sa SAO na pakomputon mo sa inyong mean or average score, grade rather. So To solve for this, you have to multiply the number of units to your grade. So your unit would be the frequency. In this is not actually the frequency, but this is the weight. So kabugaton pila ka units. And then this is now your grade 1.7. So these are the subjects you have taken: MMW, Rizal, UTS, and RPH. So let us now compute the weighted mean. So for the weighted mean here, we have 1.7 times 3, that is 51. Okay, 2.1 times 3, we have 6.3. Oops, 2.1. Okay, next is 2.2 times 3, that is 6.6. Okay, and then next is 1.8 times 3, that is 5.4. Next is to add your fx. You add here, that is the summation of fx, that is equals to 23.4. Okay, next is to add the weight. This one. So ito nang i-add ang weight. That would be our denominator. So summation of your weight, EW. Okay. Plus, so this is not x anymore, this is FW because I changed it to W for the weight. So this should be FW. Okay. So 3 times 4, that is 12. So 12 kabuo. 12 ang iyahang weight. Next is to divide your summation of FW all over your summation of W for your weighted mean. So, ato ra siyang ipuli. So, we have 23.4 divided by 12. So, pila man ang imuhang mean score, that would be 1.95. Okay, that's how you compute the weighted mean of your grade. We are now done solving for the weighted mean. Now let us solve determine the median and the mode. So first, the mode. Ang mode kay mao matoy pinakadaghan nagbalik-balik or pinakadakong frequency. So tan-awon na nato diri sa frequency na column. So ang pinakadako is ang 14. So meaning ang imuhang mode is ang 2. So nanatay mode which is 2. Now for the median. For the median class, imuhang tan-awon ang middle value niya. So ato ni i-add ni nato ang iyang frequency, that is equals to 40. Pangitaon dayon nato ang iyahang tunga-tunga. So i-divide nato ang 40 divided by 2, that is 20. Okay, so naa sa ika-20th na place ang iyahang median. So atong buhaton is ato siyang i-add such that maabot ta sa 20th place. Okay, so 5 plus 12, that is 17. And then 17 plus 14, that one, 17 plus 14, that will give us 31. So atong makit-an class na ang ika-20th place na dinhi na distribution. So therefore, your median is 2. Okay. Actually, class, your median is in the 20th and 21st place because this is an even number. So pariha raman siya kay ang 20th o 21st place na araman diri gihapon sa imuhang distribution na 2, so meaning 2 gihapon ang imuhang median na 2C mode. That will be all, and thank you so much for listening.